Everyone knows that blogging is a great way to grow your business, but it takes a ton of work and time and energy, right? Wrong. Until now, it did. But I'm going to put the link in the description. There are some brand new tools that are making it incredibly easy to automatically blog using AI, high quality blog articles that generate more traffic to your business website and get you more leads and more business. I'm going to show you in just a couple minutes the process that I've been using to automatically write 300 blogs a month that rank in Google and have a huge upside for attracting the right customers to my business. So without further ado, let me share my screen and let's get started. The first thing that you have to do is use a tool. I'm going to put the link in the description to SEMrush. It's the one I like and use, but you can use any keyword manager tool. I've got a lot of other videos on different ones that you can use. So my blog is the one that I use to help grow my businesses. I blog about the things that I'm doing in my businesses. And what I'm trying to do is, local marketing. So if anyone's familiar, I own a business, Mighty Sites, new media retailer, and some apps on Shopify. Basically what we do is local marketing. We work with their apps to help local businesses. So I go into SEMrush, I go to their keyword magic tool, and I search local marketing, right? And that's going to give me volume for all these different keywords, right? So I can see all these different keywords that people search and, how to market a small business locally, market local place, all that, right? And so then there's this column called keyword difficulty. And it just means how hard is it going to be to rank for that keyword, right? So it's now sorted by the most difficult. You can sort by volume of keywords. And this is how many people searched those things in the last month, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort by keyword difficulty from easiest to hardest, right? So I'm going to go here. Your chance to start ranking new pages, very easy, right? And then you can see there's usually lower volume, but then you can find ones like this, locals market, where it's very easy and there's some volume to it. Now, what I'm going to do is sort this a little bit farther, and I'm going to go in here. I just want to make it a little bit more niche, and I'm going to go into strategy. So now I've searched local marketing and strategy, right? So it's going to give me total volume. There's about 10,000 searches a month for that. That's great. Now here are some that are easy or possible to rank for, right? And then over here, it starts to get more difficult once I get into the 50s. In-person marketing strategies. Okay, great. That seems reasonable. Localization marketing strategies, localized marketing strategy, community marketing strategy, and sales strategies for small business, right? So all of those are under 50, meaning that I've just found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keywords where if somebody's searching for those things, I want to get them into my funnel because I have products that can help that customer, right? That's what all my products do, my businesses do, is help with local optimization, local marketing. So now I'm going to go over here to my tool. Again, links in the description for a free trial, and to my journalist AI, right? And there's a few, so you want to click on the link so you go to the right one because this one's the best. So what I do to start automatically blogging about this, again, 300 blog articles a month, is I go in here and I go to my presets. And then I just say, okay, my special preset, what is this? This is going to be local marketing keywords. And then what I do is I select from the generation mode, and I'm going to select keyword based. And then I just need to pull these over. So I've got in-person marketing strategies. Okay, great. So I just pulled over those keywords, which I know have some decent traffic and they're easy to rank for. And I just plugged them all in here. Those are the keywords, one per line, right? So I'm not going to point it at any specific brand at this point. I just want to kind of get them into my funnel here of coming to my blog and starting to learn about the products that I offer. Language, English, but you can choose from all different types of languages, which is super cool. And then creativity, right? You can determine how creative you want the AI to be. I usually kind of put it over towards this a little bit more. I want it to be correct, factual, obviously, but with a little bit of, a little bit of flair to it. And then what I do is I can put in the tone of voice. I'm just going to leave it as neutral for now, but you can also select, depending on your brand, like funny, informal, academic, just depending on your type of business. Now, point of view, automatic, so it's just going to write it in a way that kind of makes sense for the content matter. But again, you can select the point of view you want. And then advanced, you can put in custom structure. Now, call to action. I would probably determine where I want this to go. I think, I might send anybody who's interested in local marketing, and maybe send them to my new media retailer business. That's my agency. It's a local business marketing agency. So I might send them there. Now I do want it to auto-generate the headlines, and then I don't have a specific sitemap. I could add that in if I wanted, but for most people, I think these are the settings that you'd go with. Automatic external links. So we'll scrape the internet for relevant articles and add them. I like this. That's a personal preference. I think it helps with SEO. Again, you can go either which way, but I think showing Google a page where you've kind of linked out to other relevant content is only helpful. So I like to enable that. And then images, you can enable images, and then you can also enable in-article images. I'll leave that off for now, but you can just enable having articles or images throughout it as well. Now, here's the other thing I do. Because I have a pretty decent YouTube channel, sometimes I post some of my YouTube videos in there as well, specifically ones about local marketing, so that they'd be included in the article, and it'll just pick a YouTube video to embed in the right place in the article. Just for the purposes of this demonstration, I'll leave that off. So now I've created my new preset. Now all I have to do is my local marketing keywords preset is go over here to my auto blog section. And you can see I'm already blogging about Mighty Sites, marketing strategy, GBP, and local SEO. I'm just going to click new auto blog, and this is going to be local marketing keywords. I'll just call it that to keep it consistent. Select a preset, local marketing keywords, and then quantity every day. So again, here's how you could just do 300 every day about this. I'd have to pay for more credits. But for 99 bucks a month, I'm just paying for 300 articles a month, right? So I've already got a few other articles. So maybe I do like 5 of this and have that run every day. So now please select an integration, Keegan's website, that's my blog. And what it's going to do is automatically create the blog and publish it to my website. So status is going to be on, right? I could also pause it if I want to wait to get started. Or it's automatically paused. I'm going to make it active. So I want these articles generated immediately. And so now it's going to write me 5 articles every day. Let's check it out and see what kind of articles I get. And you can see that it's now generating all of these articles for me based on those keywords. It's generated 4 so far, and I can pop this open and take a look at these articles. It's pulled in images for me. It's got a table of contents. It's described. So this is based on the in-person marketing keyword. So this article is the power of in-person marketing strategies. And now I have a 2,000 word article. So it talks about trade shows, event sponsorships, pop-up stores, and then it gives me tips, engaging booth designs, providing personalized experiences, the future of in-person marketing, right? Now let's check out my next article. So this article was obviously about localization marketing strategy. Here's my table of contents. What is localization marketing strategy? The benefits, key components of it, understanding your target market. Again, another professional 2,000 word article. Effective sales strategies for small business, right? That was my other keyword. Sales strategies for small business. Great. Here's another really, really nice article, well-written, professional, about sales strategies for small business. Here's the amazing part. All of these articles, I haven't had to touch or do anything. Let me go over to my blog and refresh. So it just posted these articles, the 4, and it looks like it's working on the 5th one right now. It just posted those 4 articles to my blog for me. This is called automatic blogging. So I don't even have to go in here and touch anything. And now this is going to blog for me on my website and automatically publish the articles to my blog, my WordPress blog, on an ongoing basis, and now help me drive more traffic and leads for my business because I started here. I picked keywords that were easy to rank for. I now have Journalist AI generating the articles for me. Now here's the amazing thing. I use Yoast SEO, so I'm actually going to go in here and I'm just going to go to, all right, let's see, effective sales strategies. Click on edit. Now you're going to see Yoast is going to read the article, and all of a sudden, boom, readability analysis good, right? And it's only saying needs improvement because I haven't actually plugged in any keywords. So I could probably put in here effective sales strategies, right? Probably that or small, and now it already turned to okay, right? So again, the quality of the article, that's what I was talking about. Readability analysis, according to Yoast, which is industry-leading SEO software, readability is really good of this blog, right? Because it's super professional, and the SEO analysis is okay without me even touching anything. So I just generated high-quality blog articles that are going to be generated automatically every single month, or every single week, every single day. I think that I set this one up as. And so now I've got 300 blogs that help my business rank and grow sales happening all the time. hit that link below. Try it out for yourself. It's amazing. It's going to help you grow your business. Please hit that subscribe button and like this video so we can share it with others and help a lot of other business owners and startups grow their business using automatic blogging. It's pretty sweet. Thanks, and I will catch you in the next video.